we get guests for studio. We want to talk about International Women's Day today, March 8, 2023. We celebrate women, and of course, they deserve all the celebration we celebrate for them inside here. Okay, my name is Godwin Aruwayo, the first voice, like I'm not here. Lady J, my partner, somebody one day somewhere around the building. Okay, so today, the theme for International Women's Day today now dig it all. Innovation and technology for gender equality. The UN team for the year, and be that. The topic what we discuss today now, girls and women in technology and innovative ecosystem for rapid advancement for Nigeria. There are plenty English, but how girls and women go take the inside technology basically for the whole system to make sure Nigeria move forward. And we get guests inside the studio waiting for here. So, very beautiful woman, Olorunfunmi Adebajo, be her name. She be director of Kindle Africa Empowerment Initiative. Before I hear her voice, I want to introduce this man from the Hawkins Deck National Association of Sea Dogs, the Agege Alimosho chapter, Mr. Otomi and Demiraye Otomi. Yeah. He don't come here before the other time with him guys and all that. So Otomi will introduce again our guest ready for studio here to talk about International Women's Day, and then I will take her from there. Otomi, how far now?
I'm fine.
See, that last time when you called, everything you asked for, I did.
Yeah, you tried. That's why we're partnering with you.
You did not get back to me.
No, we'll be having contact.
But you will get back to me today.
Yes.
Okay. So introduce how you so you follow this madam come basically to celebrate International Women's Day, right?
Yes.
And to talk about, I know say for una own, when they talk about girls and women in technology and innovative ecosystem for rapid advancement. So guests, so help us introduce this our madam again.
Okay. Good afternoon, Nigerians. My name is Otomi Demirai. I'm the second vice president of National Association of Sea Dogs, Pirates Confraternity, Agege Alimosho chapter. We are joining United Nations today to celebrate women all over the world with our topic, which is girls and women in technology, an innovative ecosystem for rapid development of Nigeria. We are streamlining that to Nigeria because Nigeria is our space. Mm-hmm. And here we have our erudite speaker, Mrs. Olorunfunmi Adebajo. As you've heard before, she's the director of Kindle Africa Empowerment Initiative. She's going to do justice to everything under this topic today, how to empower women and make sure that there is equity in our day-to-day living. So,
all right, Madam, welcome to Naija FM.
Thank you.
You did very fine, basically. I like your hair, your smile, gorgeous. You be typical Nigerian woman.
Thank you.
This Nigerian women beautiful and all that. So, I just start like this. Waiting, as a man, if they talk, say, be a man. We know what they tell us. Responsibility, strong. Sometimes, if you day where people they cry, they go say, look, don't cry. You need to be man. You need to make sure, see all those kind of things. So, but we know how we understand as we be for men. We don't really understand women reach the way women by themselves understand women. So as now they celebrate International Women's Day, what will be the first thing we on your mind and the most unique thing where people they need to know about women?
Women get power past waiting we just they see physically. No be just about physical power. If you won't compare man to woman in terms of their strength, I be waiting they fit carry. Man fit carry pong past woman. Man fit do other things past woman. But the place where women get power, it dey different. In terms of combining a lot of things together to be able to achieve a balanced home, for instance. At times you go see, say man go just talk, say, I don't provide. Mm-hmm. But the woman still they join the man provide. Mm-hmm. In the take care of the house. Mm-hmm. He himself gets life where she go live. Mm-hmm. Not to talk of hormone, pregnancy, belle, not to talk. For instance, may I give you one small story? I buy new shoe, I do wedding. I finish wedding, I keep shoe, I get belle. I born baby, finish. Shoe where they carry come for me from America, I know size me again.
Away.
So it be like small thing, but women get power in little things. Ability to multitask. It dey part of this kind of thing where we dey talk. Emotional intelligence, it dey part of those kind of things. So I go allow you to ask another question before I tell you another story.
We understand. I mean, we understand. Those of us we get wife, we know. Even those who don't get wife, they get sisters and mothers, and so they don't see how women they combine plenty things. Now, women and they talk. So women they multiply things. They say man go give woman seed, she could turn into picking. You know, man go give woman money, go market, come back, turn and to bring up children, all those things. So we understand all those plenty things. But the theme for this year now, okay, for Nigeria, especially this Nigerian space, they talk about girls and women for technology. And from what me I don't see from my small space, I don't see say a lot of girls these days they're very good with computer technology and all those stuff. Shouldn't I say the ones where they do never they enough? They want me to do more, or why they concentrate more on girls and women in technology for Nigeria and how to help use and push Nigeria forward? They need to give them more opportunities, or they know that they're enough.
Okay, me I dey work for Makoko, for instance. When people they talk about gender equality, we did this studio. We no really understand waiting then they talk. Because you dey here, madam dey here. Nobody say because she get breast, she no fit work here.
Yeah.
But there are some communities where be say, because say you be girl alone, na problem. When they don't born pikin finish, first question, hey, congratulations, na boy or girl, na girl. In those places, they see woman or girl child, then they see them as property. Na the man own am, the father, or na the husband. Before she marry, na the papa own am. Anything where the papa say make she do, na him she must to do. In those kind places, they no put value on make girls they go school. So for 13-year-old, the girl don't get belle, e dey normal for their side. May we come out for those kind angles safe. Our mamas then where then day market. May I give you example of this cash situation where they now. A lot of those our mamas they no sabi use POS. I see one woman for bank one day, for Yaba. She hold ATM, she no sabi use am. She called the first person, called the second person. I just think, say this mama where they give her pin to everybody, say make them help her. Eventually, the woman they cry, say she get pin card, she get ATM, she get account, but she no sabi use this thing. Say now her husband they use the ATM. If she sell market finish, she no sabi. So before she wake up, she go just see alert. The man don't wipe the money come out. Now that one na old woman. Can't talk of young girls. I get one center for Isolo. During COVID, life change. People start to they use their phone more. Anything where you want to do, then go to www. Something happen. A lot of people no sabi use those things. Now talk of girls. I can open one center for Isolo. Computer ICT place. Make people they learn how to use computer. SS2 girl no say her exam, her jam now online she go do am for this our Lagos. Before we can't talk about those ones where they village, those ones now another story entirely. Person do she sabi use computer, she press and finish, then quickly teach am pang. Okay, now like this you go do your jam. She wants submit, she carry laptop go meet the person, say I finish, take. How that kind of girl go pass? Now these children that did this Lagos, you go ask them, oh, why are you here? Oh, nobody for their family gets computer. The baba na agberu. The mama they sell fish for market. How then go take get money? Then they don't chop finish before then carry 100 and something thousand go buy computer. So if they talk about digital literacy, digital, no be just small things. Say waiting they don't do before. No reach, I be they not do well. But if we want consider our population alone, it show us say the thing where we go do, the intensity of the effort where we need, it plenty pass waiting other people go do. So may I leave them for there.
Okay, I go like buttress one of the things where you talk. Like one of my mentors talk say, she talk say when them born her, say when them come her naming ceremony, say people they cry for her papa. Say you born gay, waiting she go give you, waiting she get to offer. But now she now they call the word know her family because of her. Now I just want buttress waiting you talk. So I did try the one that say why did they always look down on the girl child? Why did they always talk say if man born 3 girls now they will say you guys born boy you why because of your name. Yeah, if these girls they go drop you go marry drop the name. If now boy now he go marry and then your name go still continue. So some men when they see him as any go say beg girl boy Pikin na pikin, and then they okay. So they always put those kind men under pressure to born boy. So I need waiting be the genesis of this whole looking down on the girl child.
Now Africa we dey for obodo oyinbo problem no too dey like this. Your name na your name, their name. You fit born pikin, you name am Stone, na the name be that. You fit born your pikin, name am Water, na the name be that. But person wey name na Chukwuemeka, e wan make everybody know say Chukwuemeka and Sons dey. Na those kind things come.
Chukwuemeka and Sons.
Na those kind things come. E don enter our body finish. We know they think well. Say the only thing wey difference between man and woman physically na say one get breast, one no get. One get penis, one no get. Apart from that, brain na the same, hand na the same, everything na the same. If you want talk about make your name continue, if no be say culture, nowhere for this world where you talk Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. Now woman, she no change her name, but even if she change her name, she no change from the pikin of the person where she be. She no change. So we need to change the way where we dey think. The name no really matter. It matter. I know say I know may I put am well. No be the name where you be a matter. Now wetin you become out of that name. Na im matter pass. Mm-hmm. So you don't born the Chukwuemeka and Sons. You want me continue your name, but na thief e be, na ashawo e be. Those kind things may we dey consider am. And for this kind for the generation where we dey now, some people they decide say they no change their name. I no think say because person be girl or boy is supposed affect the opportunity where we go give am. It no supposed affect those kind of things at all. We supposed change our orientation.
So basically the message that say everybody deserve opportunities. Everybody supposed to learn how to use computer, supposed to get involved in tech, if there's sports, if there's anything, whether it be man or woman, regardless of whether the man born only girls or he born boys or he born both of them. Everybody deserve opportunities, and a part of the way they push that say give women opportunity. You know me say because say they thought say they answer one person name or the other one name. I get one story where I hear recently somebody where he and husband they quarrel. The husband going to bring up something where happened in the past. What do you mean that happened in the past? So she don't first read one degree, but she won't do medicine. So she be not do medicine. She do another course. When she graduates, she can't go back, go to do medicine again. When she do medicine, they can't marry. So when they marry now, she can't insist that she won't maintain her papa name because of the schooling purposes. I would just explain. Be say most time when they don't mark result and if they find that scripts they lost because the new name, husband name and the former name when she take start school before she come marry. So now they didn't know how to put the name. Once okay, more will just go use my maiden name first when I graduate finish. When she can't finish, she don't be medical doctor now. She don't they use her husband name and all that. They don't marry almost 20 years. Now when they call now they're going to bring and say part of the disrespect when you know like that. If I say that time she insists on using her papa name when she did school. Meanwhile, she said the reason why now because my results is always a loss. Script the loss. I'll come they go they try to sort out to find out because now they don't really know who get this surname. The surname way they know me with for this department now. This one I can't change to this, so she get to maintain her so that may result not the lot. You know, so women they go through a lot of this. We know all those ones, but like they talk now, maybe they get opportunity. So which kind effort did you say government they make to help give women enough opportunity, especially in the tech world for Nigeria right now?
I go say government they try their best, but as Yoruba they talk,
the best they enough.
Now I won't talk for Yoruba. Omi pojo kalo, the water you pass the garri where then they put inside.
So the problem big pass waiting that they put inside.
The problem big pass waiting
that they put inside.
So apart from government, for instance, one training they just finished one training last year where I did part of. I see for the poster they say women are encouraged to apply, and waiting then they do. They partner with slots. Government partner with slots to train people in mobile phone and laptop repairing. For the poster they can't put women and girls are encouraged to apply. So me I see the thing, I give one girl, I sabi the girl, she come my ICT center come learn. I see say na amala she dey sell for road with somebody. So I go meet am say my dear, this opportunity deal, I go give you transportation. You just go. Government, they do am free. So I don't want me she give me any excuse say I don't have transportation. So as I give her the form, I say I go everything where you need, I go give you. She no blink 2 times before she say she no do. You no do, cause she say phone and laptop repair is for man. So the orientation
already for in mind, she believes
yes.
in that. That means they don't get some kind of say this one a man work.
Yes.
This one a woman work.
The orientation from house, from society, from ourselves. So all those things, it don't dey negative already. So no matter any effort where anybody put. On top say they say women and girls are encouraged to apply. The girls will apply out of 100 people, maybe not 22.
9 then take.
No be say 9 then take. 9 apply. Wow.
I mean, why you get space to accommodate
and
up to
space,
like 100.
yes.
So you feel that this orientation, they come from their home now, their families now?
Now family na im make up society. Society can imbibe culture and tradition. So as parents, as we were there here, where we dey enlightened, that mama where they sell akara for your road, enlighten her, give her opportunity to know, say, okay, the fact say na only woman you born, it no matter. These girls, they fit be something, they fit do anything. We get women pilot, people where they fly aeroplane, woman dey. People where they build house, woman dey. Question where me I dey ask be say, if this person do am and he succeed, she ain't get to it. That question where then they ask us where we small, say the person way pass, she ain't get to it. The same thing. So may we self think, say the women where they reach big position, then get to head. If they feel reach that position, my own pikin too, if you reach the position. So now from house we go start to correct those orientations.
Okay, so the way forward now, what will be the way forward to get women women to move to the next level? Where beside this go, so okay, women will get more opportunities now in technology and to take from at least to move from where we dey now to a better level, higher level, more awareness, more participation, more opportunities for women. What will be the way forward?
The most important way I see now to continue to talk about these things. Negative stereotype na big English. Some silly idea dey where we say mindset. Once you born girl, they say the education of the girl ends in the kitchen. So because she don't be girl now, the only thing where you think say she dey useful for now to clean house, born baby, and na there e end. We suppose see say women fit achieve great things, and na there orientation from our side. We dey enlightened like this. May we no think say from where we dey, the world everything don't dey okay for women. We suppose continuously we go dey talk about this thing, say woman o, man o, they fit achieve the same thing, and we supposed to dey continue to give them opportunity. May we not think say because it don't born, na there it go end.
Okay, I don't see this thing for my some years back when one woman come out say she won't contest for president. Now they drag this woman. I think they be too safe. Then drag them. Say I beg, make them go face their kitchen. Make them leave politics for the men. So I won't find out. I know some African countries we get like women as presidents. Why is it difficult down here? Why is it difficult for or impossible for a woman to be the president of this country?
Nigeria.
Okay. I go still talk say now from the house and now orientation. Say woman they under man. We go come put religion, come join them. Say in the mosque, women know they stay with men, then they stay for back when we want pray. In the Bible say the woman should submit. Bible say may woman submit to her husband, no be to every random person with this street. And in the Quran, I know say I don't follow Muslim people waka well. I see say then they respect, then they carry woman like egg. Anybody we do in Islam well, he carry woman like egg. So we suppose shun all those idea. And know, say this person and this person, apart from the physical attributes, they are equal. Now, may we not talk say now only Africa is there. If some other countries too, some other continents too, it did there. But we don't try for Africa. As I go one side, Liberia as example. After the war where people die, where people children die, everything happen. Now woman become president. And now her fellow women support her to become the president. One of the people wey carry the matter for head say na dis Helen Salif must become president. Wetin make her carry the matter for head be say during the war dem dey shoot up and down, the pikin dey ask for donut. She can't think say I no fit give my pikin donut because people dey fight. She can't call all the other women say those people wey dey fight na your husband. First make we tell them say make dem no fight, and gradually to achieve those kind of things we need to move away from the negative stereotypes that we have. We need to open up our minds to the possibilities of things that can happen in Nigeria. For instance, people, even the women themselves, a lot of women say they know they fit come out because it don't affect them. Say they know fit achieve these things. So it's important to do away with the negative stereotypes and mentalities.
Okay, well, so before we wrap up, I want to make you also put mouth. There's some men there for studio here, so maybe they just tell us on the side of men, because we don't find out, but I don't talk everything. How did it? Even for those of already for urban area society like Lagos and all those stuff, at least women they get more opportunities. But like the ones in the village and all those ones, they need to get the kind of opportunities. And then it starts from the house. The way fathers they bring up their daughters, the mentality say girl place now for kitchen and all those kind of stuff. Even if she goes school marry, have to go stay kitchen, they serve man and all those stuff. The narrative don't they change. So as a man now, Mr. Otomi, waiting me your own suggestion for the way forward on how to create more awareness and opportunities for women, not only in technology but in other aspects, so that women go fulfill their potential.
Okay, my own end is that from when I was growing up, when I did grow up as a child, my parents educated, my grandparents not educated, but my grandparents, because they are not educated, love education. So my own parents, irrespective of the sexes we have, they gave us equal opportunity. So that's why I will keep saying that it is from the home. That is the basis of whatever stereotype we're having today.
Which kind of things do they hear when they grow up for house?
Growing up is not different from waiting our speaker.
So you hear all those kind of things about, say, women place in the kitchen, women are
but
when growing up.
But because I have an educated parent, okay. I have educated parents, even my grandmother, though not educated, also knew the place of education from her raising her children. So all of us know that we must go to school because it gives you the equal right to aspire to any of your dream. That is it.
Okay, man, how much attention it is this whole talk now, especially today will be National Women's Day, on giving women and girls opportunity for technology, for the tech space and all that for Nigeria. How much attention it is this could don't bring to the particular topic now?
This particular topic, and because say we they use radio, it go spread wide.
Okay.
And I think say radio na good means of disseminating information, especially among low-income people.
Yes.
So I think that this is a good one. But problem be say now one day in the whole 365 days they attribute for International Women's Day. Now every day
they enjoy like 3 Mother's Day now.
It no matter. Now
so maybe we
day.
have convert the 3 Mother's Day, join them to this one, make them 4 International Women's Day / Mother's Day. That way, because when it comes to Mother's Day, talk about motherhood and mother, but this one I need more attention in opportunities. Maybe we need to women worldwide, I need to consider mash them together, collect like 5 days in a year. So okay, these 5 days we'll talk about motherhood and women advancement, so that more
everything
attention
go join together.
You understand? Yeah. You understand? Did you want to stand before we go?
Well, before we go, since the International Women's Day, we say make them compose poem. But this particular one, you really catch my hand. I say, okay, I go read them out, make you hear. Okay, so this one say, we are cute daughters, we are sweet sisters, we are lovely lovers, we are darling wives, we are adorable mothers, we are source of strength, we are women. Happy Women's Day. And Faith from AJ9.
Thank you very much, Faith, for your message. Madam, okay, before you come off for studio now, so what do you mean the final? And then I want to ask you, how much, what do you go talk about the National Orientation Agency? We're supposed to do a lot of orientation to both men and women to let them understand, say, the women need to get more up and all those things. Because in those days when they grow up, rather than how to cross road, to how to do it, everything, orientation agency, they tell us, get jingle and get advert for TV. These days, people like they know they exist.
I remember one advert when I dey small on top television, NTA2 Channel 5. The advert now, they talk about, say, every night, make sure, say, you on the light wey dey outside your house. Say, they help security. That thing is stick for my head till today. The thief, they crawl. As the person on the light, they see the thief, he run, So, that time we dey see am. I don't know if they see any national orientation agency. I don't know if they still exist.
We know they see
They
them
still
again.
exist.
They still exist. Okay, then they collect
They no dey
salary, but
active
we know
like
they
before.
see them. So we no go talk about them because we no get power over them. The one way we fit do. Everybody may do his own small for
Where
your
you
own
dey?
koro where you dey.
All right, so but with this one, they call on national orientation agency to do more, to bring more attention to women, and then the fact that they need to get more opportunities, you understand, for inside this country, so that things go day equal as it's supposed to be. Mr. Otomi, before you come off for studio, what will be your final words at least for today for this topic and the International Women's Day before I come off for studio?
Okay, thank you very much. I want to thank our guest speaker, Mrs. Olorufemi, for doing justice to the topic. Part of our program for the year as National Association of Sea Dogs, in as much as we've already seen we've seen a gap in reaching out to the public. That's why we're here today, to make sure that we're alerting the public on giving every opportunity to the girl child to aspire to any height she can. Here with me is my branch secretary, Mr. Latif Alani. He has something to contribute to what we are saying.
So thank you, my second vice president. Good afternoon, Lagos. Once again, my name is Alani Latif. Yes, the National Association of Sea Dog, Alimosho Agege chapter, we have many programs that look at sensitizing the public around education, around women rights, around child rights, etc. And we'll use this opportunity to invite the public around that area to locate us around Egbeda Axis, Bakery Bus Stop. If you have any challenge with training your children, with domestic violence, please feel free to contact us, and then we'll be ready to help and see how we can ameliorate the situation for you. Talking on the topic of the day about technology and women and children, women and girl child, we are sure to also get back to the public to see how we can contribute to training our girl child. We are partnering with the organization like Kindle Africa, where we have Ms. Olorunfunmi Adebaju as the director, to see how we can also sponsor a few of children around that area to train them in the use of technology and then improve the environment in general. So cheers to Africa, cheers to Nigeria, cheers to Lagos, and cheers to the women. We are very happy to be here. Thank you.
All right, thank you
for
very
coming,
much.
oh.
Thank you very much,
so
Mrs.
much.
Olorunfunmi, for coming.
Thank you.
And also thank you for all the work they do for women and children and girls
And
at the
girls,
college.
yes.
And another smart thank you.
That's our association.
Paper Association.
Thank you to the Sea Dogs. Agbeda,
Thank you.
that area, that zone, Alimosho, Agbeda, that area, people side. Okay, so thank you very much for coming.
Thank
of
you
course,
for coming.
once more, happy International Women's Day to
Thank you
everybody
so
where
much,
they
Mr. Godwin.
out there. Okay, like you don't hear if you be papa, you be mama, you be brother, you be whatever, grandparent, anything.
your uncle.
Make you realize, say, women more did to them than just to marry, to born pikin, to sit down for kitchen, to cook and all that. Other one are part of the what make women special. But other women qualify to be the doctor, to be president, to be governor, to be technology people and expert and all those stuff. Then qualify to start company, be CEOs and everything. So begin they put that into the height of the girls now, children, as they grow up. Say you feel be anything where you won't be. No let anybody stop you. Say na kitchen you end. And I mean, when the president elect they give speech, what he talk? See, don't expect my wife back. Oh, she would day in my kitchen. She would day in the other room. Now, partner, what would they talk? Don't they create an impression like say
those small thing, it matter.
It matter, you know.
Because person go talk say, if a whole president fit talk say the other room, then waiting who you be.
And person go say now, not expect her back for Senate. She go be the first lady, and first lady na full office of. You go take care of all the women affairs. So me as a man, I'm getting so women no understand. So this woman now job now to make sure say women get equal opportunity like men go get. So I go they run the men part, she go run the women part. You know that kind of thing. But instead he say, Now
It's
the
now
other
my
room.
housewife and
The
she
former
go
one,
dey the other room.
the outgoing president say na
come.
Zahaza room. The coming one say na Zahaza room. Women did more than the
Zahaza
other room.
room.
Okay, the DJ Mo look for one woman song play for women.
You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.